And the question of the day is, have you ever read aloud a story to someone else?
I like to read books to my friends and my family and also my silly little brother.
Have you ever received feedback on your writing before?
And the last time I remember getting feedback in a more formal way was during my master's degree.
Imagine you had a reading robot at home. What would it do? Or
If I had a
what would it be?
reading robot, I would have asked it to read it for me.
What would it read?
It would have read all of my books I needed to.
If you had a magic wand and you could ask for any help you want when you read a book, what type of help would you get?
He would squeeze it to me. I would use my magic wand to make it into a bunny book to make it a real life bunny out.
Like a bunny would come out of it?